Have you ever walked into a luxury library, high-end office building, premium shopping mall, or professionally maintained property and immediately noticed how fresh it smells? Before you even look around, before you notice the sparkling floors, polished furniture, or spotless windows, something else captures your attention first. The scent. That clean, fresh, welcoming smell instantly creates the impression that the environment is well-maintained and hygienic. And that's not an accident. Professional cleaners understand something powerful about human psychology. People often associate smell with cleanliness before they notice visual cleanliness. The moment someone enters a room, their brain begins processing information from the environment. While sight is important, scent often creates the first emotional impression. A room may appear clean, but if it smells unpleasant, many people will assume it isn't truly clean. On the other hand, a fresh-smelling environment immediately feels more inviting, comfortable, and hygienic. This is why professional cleaning companies pay close attention to odor control. But here's the secret that many people don't realize. Professional cleaners don't simply hide bad smells, they eliminate the source. Many homeowners unknowingly spend money on air fresheners, scented sprays, candles, and fragrance products in an attempt to make their home smell better. The problem is that fragrances only mask odors temporarily. If the source remains, the smell will eventually return. Professional cleaners know that lasting freshness begins with identifying and eliminating the cause of the odor itself. This approach produces results that last much longer than simply covering up unpleasant smells. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these professional cleaning secrets, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep cleaning hacks, professional techniques, and home maintenance tips that can help transform your cleaning routine. Now let's uncover the real causes of household odors, the hidden sources of bad smells. When most people notice an unpleasant smell in their home, they often assume the problem is obvious. Maybe the trash needs to be taken out. Maybe someone left dirty dishes in the sink. Maybe a room simply needs fresh air. While those factors can contribute, professional cleaners know that many odors come from hidden sources that people rarely inspect. These hidden odor sources can continue affecting the smell of a home, even after visible cleaning has been completed. Let's explore some of the most common culprits. Trash bins. Trash bins are one of the biggest sources of lingering odors. Even after the garbage bag is removed, residue often remains inside the container. Tiny food particles, spilled liquids, and organic waste can collect at the bottom of the bin or along the sides. Over time, bacteria begin breaking down this material and producing unpleasant odors.